Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how you can cancel your My Perfect CV subscription. So guys, let's get started. First guys, go to your website as you can see here and go to customer support and start calling by customer support, and you can call on this phone number as you can see here, and you need to dial the number 08818906676 on your phone, and you will be connected on the customer service representative of My Perfect, and you can talk and ask about account subscription, and you will require to provide with some important details and related your personal information. So you guys, you can canceling by subscription this contact support, and this customer service number is My Perfect, accessible all 7 days on week, no matter which day you can make a phone call. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe, like, share this video for more content.